If you own a 3D printer or even a small 3D printing setup, I want you to hear this carefully. Your biggest opportunity may not be building your own store from scratch, trying to rank your own Amazon listing, or posting random products online and hoping somebody buys. Because the truth is, most 3D printer owners are playing the hardest version of the game. They try to be the manufacturer, the marketer, the store owner, the customer support team, the product researcher, the advertiser, and the salesperson all at the same time. And that is exactly why so many of them stay stuck. They sell one custom order at a time, one small part, one keychain, one personalized item, one low-ticket order. Then they answer messages, change the file, print the piece, package it, ship it, and start all over again. That is not a scalable business. That is a job with a 3D printer attached to it. Now, let me show you a different way to look at this. If you own a 3D printer, you do not just own a machine. You own production capacity. And production capacity should not depend on one random customer at a time. A factory does not grow by chasing one customer per product. A factory grows by supplying people who already sell. And that is the core idea behind the Big Sellers 3D method. You print, they sell. There are Amazon sellers, Shopify brands, eBay stores, Etsy shops, TikTok shop sellers, and other online businesses that already have what most beginners are desperately trying to build. They already have traffic, buyers, reviews, listings, customer trust, and they already know how to sell online. But many of them do not want to manufacture. They do not want to buy 3D printers, manage failed prints, deal with production, test materials, or operate machines. They want products they can list, sell, and move. And that is where you come in. Instead of trying to compete against big sellers, you can learn how to supply them. Inside Big Sellers 3D, I show you how to shift from thinking like a small retail seller to thinking like a supplier. You will learn how to find sellers who already move products online, how to identify the ones that may need 3D printed products, how to collect public business contact information, how to approach them professionally, how to send the right message, how to offer bulk production, how to present your catalog, and how to start conversations that can lead to real orders. This is not about spamming random people. This is not about begging for sales. And this is not about selling one tiny custom piece at a time. This is about positioning your 3D printing setup as a small supply business. Because there's a huge difference between saying, hey, do you want to buy this one 3D printed item? And saying, I can produce this type of product for your store in bulk with consistency, quality, and delivery you can plan around. That second conversation is completely different. That is a business conversation. And when you understand how big sellers think, how they buy, what they care about, and how to approach them the right way, your 3D printer stops looking like a hobby machine and starts looking like an asset. Think about it. One seller who already has demand could need 100 units, then 300, then 500, then a recurring order every month. Of course, results are never guaranteed. You still need to do the work, contact the right people, present the right products, and deliver with consistency. But the model is different. Instead of trying to find hundreds of individual customers, you are learning how to find sellers who already have customers. That is the leverage. That is the opportunity most 3D printer owners never even think about. And that is why I created the Big Sellers 3D method. Inside, you get a complete step-by-step training that shows you the supplier model for 3D printing. You get the full method, the seller research process, the outreach strategy, the catalog structure, the message scripts, the negotiation basics, the first order framework, and the mindset shift. You need to stop acting like a tiny retail store and start thinking like a manufacturer. If you are just getting started, this can help you avoid wasting months trying to sell random products to random people. And if you already have multiple printers, this can help you think bigger, create more predictable production, and look for buyers who can actually move volume. Right now, you can get access to the Big Sellers 3D method for just $97. That is less than what many people waste on filament, failed product tests, ads that do not convert, or random files that never sell. For $97, you get the training, the process, the scripts, and the framework to understand how to approach the supplier side of the 3D printing business. Again, this is not a magic button. I cannot guarantee that you will close a bulk order. Nobody can honestly guarantee that, but I can show you the model, the process, and the way to start approaching the market differently. So if you are tired of selling one piece at a time, tired of chasing custom orders, tired of trying to build an online store from zero, and you want to learn how to find Amazon sellers, Shopify brands, eBay stores, Etsy shops, and other online sellers who may already have demand, Then click the button below and join the Big Sellers 3D method today. Stop thinking like a small retail seller, start thinking like a supplier. Your 3D printer is not the limit. Your business model is. Click below and get access now.